Hi everyone, my name is Topaz Butler and I am an academic advisor at Morehead State University. This tutorial is on how to add and drop classes using the student planning tool in your self-service account. You can access your self-service by logging into your Morehead State account and under the MSU Student Services, click the self-service portal. Once you've signed into your self-service portal, you'll see the various tabs open. You'll want to click the Student Planning tab on the right side of the screen. Then you'll need to open up the Go to Plan and Schedule link on the right side of the screen. This will open up your current schedule. You see that the term listed is Fall 2023 at the left corner. What we're going to do first is add a class to our schedule. In the top right corner, you'll see a search bar. We're going to search for the class Science 104 or SCI 104. This is a general education course in the natural science category. It doesn't matter whether you put a space in between Science and 104 or no space, and it also doesn't matter if it's in capital letters or in all lowercase. Along the left side of the screen, you will see some options that will allow you to filter the classes available. You can filter by things such as availability, course location, term, day of the week, or professor. I always suggest that you filter by open sections only in availability. This will remove any sections that have no seats left. After the search loads, you'll see the course Science 104 listed at the top. Within that box, you will also see the course description. Once you click View Available Sections for Science 104, you will see the section options for the class. There are 3 options for this course. Each one lists the seats available, the days of the week that the course is being offered, as well as the time, the course location, and the professor. You'll see that one of these courses is offered in person on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 2 to 3:15 in Lab and Hall Room 401, whereas the other 2 sections are listed as internet on the location, meaning that they will be offered online. You'll need to pick the section that works best for your schedule and click the blue button on the right side of the screen that says Add Section to Schedule. Once you click the button, a box will appear which will list the section details once again. The meeting time, the instructor, the seats available, just to make sure that you're aware of the section you're selecting. If this is the one you'd like, you will hit the blue button on the bottom of the right that says Add Section. After you've clicked Add Section, you'll go back to the home page and click Student Planning. Click the Go to Plan and Schedule link on the right side of the screen. This will bring up your schedule where all of the classes will be listed. When you see the classes, you'll notice that the Science 104 course is listed as planned and it's a tannish yellow color. To register for the course, you'll have to hit the register button below the course. Once it loads, the class will turn green and say registered but not started. This is because you've yet to begin the course, as the course does not start until October 9th. If you wanted to drop the course, you would hit the drop button below the class, seen here on the right. A box will appear just to make sure that you are wanting to drop this course. You'll see it being checked as Science 104, and then you would hit the update button to drop the class. Once the class is dropped, it will turn back to this tannish yellow color and say planned. To remove it entirely, you will click the X at the top right corner of the box and it will disappear. Thank you for watching MSU's tutorial on how to add and drop classes using your self-service tool. If you need any additional support, please reach out to your academic advisor as they are here to help you. Have a great day.